First warning weather with meteorologist Freddy Vela.
As we take a look right now at satellite and radar, we continue to see the cloudy conditions that have stuck around. Now, what we're waiting for is to see if we're going to get plenty of sunshine, because that's going to give us the energy we need for a little later on this afternoon. So it's something to just keep in mind. Now, I am watching a few spots to see if we're going to get any showers. Right now, as we move to a second radar, you can even see that very much is actually picking up in Mason. But I'll zoom out a bit so you can see the rest of the state. And as you can tell, it's actually quite quiet. There's a few spots where we're seeing a few showers getting into Dallas and out towards Del Rio, but the rest of us are at least dry for now. You may pick up some spots of drizzle, but this is what we're going to watch. Again, I mentioned we got to wait for that sunshine to come through. That's the energy we need, that spark that we need to see some of those showers later on this afternoon. If we don't get enough sunshine out there and that daytime heating that comes in, that warmth, I don't think we'll see very much. So right now we're looking at sometime between 4 and 5 o'clock where we could at least start to see at least something a little stronger out there. You can even see here with our graph model by 5 p.m. there's spots of moderate to heavy showers that could actually pick up as we get into the afternoon, early evening hours, 6 p.m., 7 p.m., and then it starts to fade out as we get to 8 to 9 p.m. Overnight, we'll at least get some cloud coverage rolling back in certain spots, and then, of course, we'll do it all again. Tomorrow morning, we'll get some drizzle, a few light showers before we get that daytime heating for the afternoon. Now, we don't get that lift tomorrow, which is why we don't get the showers as what we would see today. So your severe risk for today, keeping us within that category 1 or marginal risk for a majority of our area, looking about I-35 and to the west of that. Everything to the east of that looks like it's going to be within the general thunderstorm vicinity. So as we talk about severe storm threats, this is what we're talking about. Mostly hail, quarter-size inch, and winds about 58 miles per hour plus, with tornadoes being in a low risk and flooding looking like a low risk as well. So now let's play this out a bit further through a different model so you can see why we're still banking on the fact that we could see at least some pockets of moderate to heavy showers and even the possibility of some severe weather, especially within the northern parts of our viewing area, San Salvador, Lampasas, Burnett, and Delano, where we could see some of that heavy rainfall come through. And then again, tomorrow I don't see very much really building up. Just some clouds late in the day. We'll get some of that sunshine as we go along. So if a severe thunderstorm warning is issued for you, here's a couple of reminders. Stay indoors, away from windows, and of course, avoid any electrical appliances. Let's talk about your temperatures really quickly for the day. We're still looking to hit about 83 degrees, a little cooler in quotations than yesterday, just because we have that cloud coverage and we could see some of that rainfall. So your 7-day forecast, keeping the rain chances in for today and tomorrow, but really the stars of the show are going to be Friday, Saturday into Sunday as we see some of that heavy rainfall in the next half hour. The extended forecast is what we're going to be talking about a bit more. But you may be wondering, okay, we were talking about all this rainfall, but how does it actually really start to become severe? Let's go ahead and send it over to Tommy House with an in-depth look at that.
Yeah, thank you, Freddie. In 1 minute, going to try to capture this. Thunderstorms need 3 things. They need moisture, lift, and instability. Instability, also known as storm energy, and we're going to have plenty of it. But as you saw with those computer models, will it just be showers or a storm? It depends on the cap. Well, what's the cap? It's a layer of warm air several thousand feet off the ground that acts as a barrier, preventing that storm energy from rising up to 40,000 feet within the anvil cloud. Now, if you get a lot of sunshine, less cloud cover, or a lifting mechanism, a front or a dry line, that can cause the cap to weaken. So all that thunderstorm fuel shoots right up through the cap, up into the cloud, and that's where some severe weather is possible. Just wrote a blog on this. If you're more interested in what the cap is, head over to KXAN.com/weather. We'll be right back.